How are objects like tables and cupboards made from wood? First, a log of wood is cut into planks, blocks or posts as desired. Then, these are joined together to make things like a table, chair or cupboard. The surface of these objects is made smooth by scraping and polishing. In all these tasks, we make changes in the length, width, shape and roughness of the wood we use. In spite of all these changes, the article still remains a wooden article. The wood itself does not change into any other substance. What would happen if this wood were to burn? Burning of wood is also a change. But after the wood burns up, only ash is left behind. The part of the wood that does not burn to ashes changes into coal. This means that after burning, the original wood is not left anymore. What is the important difference between the two changes, namely the making of furniture from wood and the burning of wood? While making furniture, changes are made in the wood by cutting, polishing, etc. But the wood still remains wood. But burning is a change in which wood is transformed into other substances like ash, coal, etc. Thus, new substances form from wood as a result of its burning. Let us turn to activity. Take a spoonful of sugar in a bowl and heat it. Observe carefully the changes that take place in the sugar. Continue to heat the sugar even as the changes take place in it. Stop heating when you see a black substance like coal forming at the bottom of the bowl. Let the bowl and the substance cool. Then taste the black substance. Does it taste like sugar? It does not taste like sugar. Place this black substance in a dish and add some water to it. Does it dissolve in the water like sugar? It does not dissolve in water like sugar. Is this substance sugar which has turned black, or is it some substance different from sugar? This black substance is coal. When a change in a substance results in the formation of one or more new substances, the change is said to be a chemical change. The changing of sugar into coal as a result of heating it is a chemical change. When the original substance is transformed into another substance or substances that have new properties due to a change, the change is said to be a chemical change. Let us study about corrosion. When metals like iron or copper are left exposed to humid air, we see a layer forming on their surface. When something made of iron rusts, we see a reddish layer on it. A greenish layer forms on things made of copper. This process is called corrosion of metal. The corrosion of metal is a chemical change. Corrosion weakens the metal articles. Preventing corrosion. Metals left exposed to humid air get slowly corroded because of the action of gases and moisture in the air and the vapors of chemicals around them. If there is too much corrosion, metal articles become weak and unfit for use. Corrosion can be avoided if the metal is not exposed to air. Metal objects can be painted with oil paint. The coat of paint prevents the contact of the metal with air, and so corrosion is prevented. There are some other ways of preventing corrosion. Articles such as sheets and pipes of iron can be covered with a thin coat of zinc. The inside of brass or copper utensils is given a coat of tin. These days, a new long-lasting method of coating is used. It is called powder coating. Powder coating can be done in any desired color. The method of powder coating can be used for many different metals like iron, aluminium, etc. We shall study about combustion. Combustion means burning. The burning of a substance results in the formation of smoke, gases, and ash. These substances cannot be changed back into the original substance again. It means the combustion is a chemical change. Even though both combustion and corrosion are chemical changes, corrosion is harmful, but combustion can be useful. Combustion can be used to obtain energy as heat is given out when combustion takes place. Let us study about chemical changes and progress. From ancient times, materials such as wood, cotton, or coal, which are available in nature, have been used to satisfy our needs. But man has also made substances like plastic, glass, cement, which are not available in nature through his research. Today, these substances have become necessary for us. These are made by bringing about chemical changes in certain substances. To get molten iron, a certain kind of reddish rock is crushed and heated to a very high temperature in a furnace. If sand and washing soda are mixed in a certain proportion and melted, we get glass. Man has made great progress in his skill of bringing about chemical changes. Plastics, nylon, fertilizers, thermocol, medicines, etc. are made by making chemical changes in the raw materials used.